I'm Maureen Magnuson.
And I'm Daniel Vehse. We're here with the Carroll Speedway Special, Jerry Magnuson's creation.
We're here because this is Jerry's hometown area. So we brought the Magnatude 32 special car that Chip Foose finished. However, my husband, Jerry, did so much work on it.
Jerry was involved not only in the racing end, but in motorcycle performance with the first supercharged motorcycle and in Magnacycle. Just a true legend that really cared about education, opportunity for students, and the belief in the dream. The current Roots supercharger that is the backbone to almost all of the vehicles out there was really due to Jerry Magnuson.
We're just bringing this car back to continue that saga. It's more of seeing where Aims is now, the evolution and the growth of the college, which is really admirable, and we enjoy the atmosphere here as well as the students' involvement in the programs.
For Maureen and Daniel to bring TrackMaster, which is his final work of art, and to share that with the next generation of our students that are going through, was an amazing piece.
I'm pretty confident you guys are putting out some pretty nice students. They're well-rounded. They've got a very inquisitive minds as far as asking questions and looking at the details. Very, very important. Being able to think outside the box also.
It was really important to us to be able to do this, and what an honor also. It's an incredible school. I just can't imagine anything better.
We're tickled and proud to be partners with Magnuson Products, TrackMaster Products, and the legacy of Jerry Magnuson.